What was that?
Dad! Hoo-hoo! Is moving by itself!
What's going on? Moving by itself?
It probably just ran out of battery and is returning to the charging dock, son.
No! Dad, it's hunting something!
Oh my god, it's like something out of a horror movie!
It saw me! Run! It will get stuck!
Dining room! We run to the dining room!
Dad, if it's a vacuum, it must hate water! The sink area! It has to have moisture sensors! Go, go, go! Get to the kitchen!
It's gaining on us! Run faster!
The robot is too strong!
It worked! It's building up kinetic energy! We need to hide!
Go, go! Get out of the way! It's right behind us!
Get in! Quickly!
What is it doing now?
It's trying to find a way in. It's too low for it to drive under.
Beep! Beep!
Target acquired. Retrieve data.
Is this a treasure map?
This is my great-grandfather's handwriting.
Mom, the watering can! We need moisture!
It's so damp down here, but we have no water.
Wait, my hair is still wet. This might work.
I hate this, but hurry up!
never been so scared. Thanks for that sweat idea, little brother.
Just applying basic science, sister.
This detailed drawing, it shows everything. Pipes, wires. The X is exactly where we were hiding.
Maybe Grandpa knew modern scanners would be blocked by the old materials, but this physical map was the only way in.
Is this really safe? What if something else is waiting down there?
We just fought off a rogue vacuum cleaner. I doubt anything down there is scarier.
Wow! Is this the treasure?
Self-diagnostic initializing. 1% battery remaining. Reboot sequence commencing. Mission objective. Data retrieval. Family secured. Proceeding to secondary objective.
This isn't just a hiding spot. This is his life's work.
The adventure of the Ann family has just begun, Dad. Whew!
See?
This formula is what great-grandfather used to calculate the structural integrity of the hidden room.
That's actually incredible, Ming.
He must have known a time would come when we needed this knowledge.
Well, someone still needs to call a technician about this menace.
Rest in peace, you terrifying little machine.
Look here. If we reroute the power,
It should bypass the AI entirely.
this stays between us. For now.
Power level 1.2%. Data integrity confirmed. Monitoring activity in sublevel 1.
We must be so careful not to damage these. This is history.
I wonder what great-grandfather locked away in here.
Got it. That supports the load-bearing wall design.
Okay, science is cool, but I can't document ink stains in the dark.
Movement detected. Proximity to sealed data increasing.
It's a tumbler lock. Very old school. Wait, what if the key isn't a key?
If you found this, you have the resourcefulness to handle true innovation. This chip holds the key to my true work.
Protocol complete. Initiating long-term surveillance mode. If we can build a reader for this chip.
We have a lot of reading to do.
I've got the red ones.
And I'll get the green.
Great job, everyone!
We did it!
Careful with the solder, Min.
Cái gì vậy? Mẹ ơi! Bố ơi! Hút hút nó tự chạy rồi!
Tự chạy. Chắc là hết pin nên nó tự về trạm sạc thôi con.
Ôi trời ơi, nó giống như trong phim kinh dị ấy. Nó nhìn thấy mình.
Chạy mau!
Khu vực bồn rửa bát. Nó phải có cảm biến chống ẩm.
Đây!
Thành công rồi! Chúng ta cần một nơi kín đáo, ít nhất là cho đến khi bố kịp gọi dịch vụ kỹ thuật.
Gầm sofa, nó quá thấp, nó không thể bò theo được.
Nó đang làm gì vậy?
Nó đang tìm cách tiếp cận.
Bố ơi, có thứ gì đó ở đây.
Không đời nào, nó muốn xé toạc tờ giấy.
Chúng ta cần tạo ra độ ẩm.
Nó đang bị quá tải cảm biến độ ẩm.
Đây chắc chắn là một cái hầm bí mật.
Ông ấy biết rằng những chiếc máy quét hiện đại sẽ bị nhiễu.
Hút hút đã hoàn thành nhiệm vụ của nó. Tuyệt vời, chúng ta tìm thấy căn cứ bí mật rồi.
Tự động khởi động lại. 1% pin còn lại.